for Ratchet Entertainment. I mean, Incorporated. Got you right there. And, you know, he's coming under video. You know, we love to Jjerk. I mean, that's what we do for fun. Because we niggas, like, you know, I'm Blake Shelton.
I'm Swayze.
You know, we just gonna keep it 100 for you. You know, we got the Kool-Aid on site just in case we get thirsty through jerking. And you know, we got the swag out outfits, you know what I mean? Like it ain't nothing to it, you know. Got the fresh Nikes on, you know, the SBs, you know, got the creative Rex, you know, the new skinnies by Beyonce. Yeah, the new Beyonce skinnies, you know. Tell them what you got on.
Had to get him a pair, you feel me? You feel me? I got the banana suit jeans on, you feel me?
Yep.
By Beyonce line, you feel me? Check them out, check out the back, you feel me? And you know what I'm saying? I got the Tommy Hilfiger boxers on, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, we do big things, and the bow tie.
Ain't nothing to it, alright?
Let's go.
So, you know, CeeLo on the camera, you know, we just gonna get off.
We got a special guest at the end, so
You know,
you ready for
guest
that?
performance. So play the video, CeeLo.
No Cali swag, but all the girls love me. I'm bringing up the talent that the people need to see. And if you disagree, I'm on to the next. No fleet. All white kids breaking necks without trying. I'm killing off most of y'all learns quit trying. These like no other when I step on the scene. I got a Belladon type shit counting up my green. This beat go, no cholo, no marble. Savvy with the flow, lyrically beyond tomorrow. Nickname Ricky, believe it or not, I rip these beats like is that all you got? Then I kick it with the roadies. Man, I'm filthy. OMG, I'm young and incredible. You feel me? And I be on that new ish and everybody jocking. No wonder what the game is alive and ain't flopping. Real steady tipping on my built in the brain. As I LOL, my way straight to the bank. Penny nickel dime. I just might find Mr. Mitzi on my brain. Spread the coach, put me in the gang. Pop load the stick, bro, you're low the same. Tag boy in, oh my, I'm on fire. Said I can't spit, your friend's a liar. You already know what I rap. Catch my drift and do the east side steps. Got songs about I, but I ain't say FF. So leave me alone as I catch my breath. She ain't nothing but a Ratchet, XYZ. She be tipping, but I ain't YT. I want to the damn booty, but I ain't YG. So I left it alone, something like why me? Hey, bring 'em out. This Slick Savage. Let go.
I forget it was the best.
It's my turn. What are you doing?
Okay, CeeLo.
Entertainment, kid, boy!
Right now, the savages